How to download and use presets in iOS mobile phones. Watch the video tutorial in YouTube app. If it opened on YouTube browser, click the Open in YouTube. Now select the video. Watch the video to get the password. Password will appear like this during the video. First part of the password is 17. Write it down. Keep watching the video to get the second password. Second part of the password is 93. Combine the two password, so the password is 1793. Now go to the video description and click on the download link. Enter the password. Click on download link. Select where you want to save the file. Click on Open in. Let's open the file in Lightroom. Select the downloaded file. Click on Share button. Select Lightroom app. To use the preset, click on three dots at the upper right corner. Select Copy Preset and click the Check button. Now go back to Library and select your photo. Click on three dots and select Paste Settings. Click on three dots at the upper right corner. Click on Create Preset. Write a name for preset. Go back to Library and open your photo. Select Preset icon. Find your preset from User Presets library and select it. Enjoy your presets. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly videos.